The PEG power station is situated adjacent to the power station for the Solomon mine site. It's a key component of the Pilbara generation project, which is aimed at reducing greenhouse emissions. In these videos, I will provide a critical analysis of the Pilbara energy generation power station project in regards to how climate change was addressed in relation to our ideas for best practice the environmental impact assessment, and we will also discuss the benefits and drawbacks of the relevant assessment.
As can be seen from the relevant assessment documents provided, the Environmental Protection Department of Western Australia and other relevant governments have conducted a number of assessments of the PEG power station project. Two of the assessments are the GHG management plan and the EPA's assessment of this project. As we mentioned in assignment 1, take climate change into account in environmental assessments. These assessments not only analyzed how PEG compared to other projects in terms of greenhouse gas emissions, but also predicted the potential climate impact of such a large-scale project on Western Australia. Furthermore, the GHG management plan analyzed the pros and cons of the PEG projects from various aspects, such as design, energy sources, technology, and so on. And also, according to these tables, it can be seen that it is a beneficial practice for the project and the government to reflect the climate impact in the environmental assessment.
The problem with power stations is, first of all, there is a lot of environmental pollution. Power stations emit a lot of carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide that can't be absorbed can only be released into the atmosphere, so it causes climate change. My group considers it very important to include climate change. My group considers it very important to include climate change in environmental assessments. There are some holes in the EIA for Australia power stations. First, it does not explain the impact of these emissions, but only the volume of emissions. Second, the EIA does not provide the impact on the lives of people living nearby. If there will be people living nearby in the future, the impact is not summarized. According to our group's conclusion, EIA needs more attention, so it needs to include the impact on people. This is where I see the difference with our group discussion.
In conclusion, the environmental impact assessment of this project meets our expectations basically. However, it also needs to be adapted and should pay more attention to the weakness so that satisfy our ideas for best practice. Thank you for listening.